How to manage your Twitch ad preferences and control how ads are personalized on your account. This tutorial will show you the latest steps. First, open the Twitch app and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner and select Settings from the menu. Once you're in Settings, go to the Security and Privacy section. Here, you may notice that there is no longer a separate ad preferences option. Instead, Twitch now provides an ad tracking setting for many accounts. Scroll down until you find Ad Tracking. This setting controls whether Twitch can use certain information to personalize the ads shown to you. If you want ads to be more relevant to your interests, keep ad tracking enabled. If you prefer more privacy, you can disable ad tracking. Keep in mind that turning it off will not remove ads from Twitch, but it may reduce the level of personalization used for those ads. After making your selection, the change is usually saved automatically, so there's no need to press a save button. And that's how you can manage Twitch ad preferences through the ad tracking setting. Keep in mind that Twitch settings may change over time, so the available options can vary depending on your region and account. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Twitch tutorials, privacy guides, and account settings tips.